Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Sayitright accent training app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Sayitright is an accent improvement and pronunciation training app designed to help users speak clearer, more natural English. The app focuses on reducing strong accents, improving speech rhythm, and correcting difficult sounds through guided practice. It offers real-time AI pronunciation feedback, side-by-side word comparison, and daily training lessons. It's available on both iOS and Android and is built to support learners at beginner, intermediate, and advanced levels. The app's main feature is its real-time pronunciation coach. You speak into the microphone, and Sayitright instantly analyzes stress, intonation, mouth movement accuracy, and sound clarity. It also includes targeted practice sessions for common accent issues, customized lessons based on your weak sounds, and progress tracking that helps you see long-term improvement. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its accurate voice analysis, clear instructions, and structured lesson plans. The app is especially helpful for learners preparing for interviews, presentations, or daily communication in English-speaking environments. The short practice drills make it easy to train consistently without spending too much time. However, there are some drawbacks. The free version offers limited daily practice and full access, including advanced lesson packs and unlimited feedback, requires a subscription. Some users also report occasional inaccuracies in AI detection, especially in noisy environments. In addition, the app focuses mostly on pronunciation and accent, not grammar or vocabulary, which might not suit learners looking for a complete English course. In summary, the Sayitright app may be worth using if you want structured accent training, real-time pronunciation feedback, and noticeable improvement in spoken clarity. However, if you're looking for a full English learning platform or don't want to pay for premium features, it might not be the best fit for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.